Want your iPhone photos to show exactly where they were taken? In this video, I'll show you how to take photos with GPS location on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Now tap on Location Services. Make sure Location Services is turned on. This is very important. Next, scroll down and find Camera, then tap on it. Here, select While using the app. Also, make sure Precise Location is turned on. Once that's done, you're all set. Now open the Camera app and take a photo like you normally would. After taking the photo, go to your Photos app and open the picture. Tap the Info I button at the bottom, or simply swipe up on the photo. You'll now see the exact location where the photo was taken, including a map view. If you don't see a location, don't worry. You can tap on Adjust and manually add or change the location for that photo. And that's it. Now your iPhone photos will include GPS location data. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.